Hello, my name is Renalyn Cruz, and I will be presenting the meaning behind healthcare management and leadership for me. I got to joining the medical field by first partaking in the medical coding program at Renton Technical College in January 2015 to June 2016. It was about a month later that I got my job at Country Doctor Community Clinic. And about a year and a half after that, I thought to myself, so what's next? What can I do to further myself in my career? With the help of my instructor from Renton Technical College, I discovered the Healthcare Management and Leadership program at Bellevue College and enrolled myself in December of 2017. I took this journey because I believe this program is a necessary next step in my career, and I believe that with the help of this program, I'll be able to fulfill my desire to gain personal development as well. According to the department head of the HTML program, healthcare management is defined as a career path that enables professionals to provide management, leadership, and administration in the healthcare setting. For me, healthcare management means being able to assist the public in the healthcare field the best way that I know how. Also, according to the department head, individuals in healthcare management have a variety of job locations where they are needed, and that is the hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, group medical practices, public health departments, and health insurance organizations. With the help of this program, I'll be able to develop the skills I need to be a successful and great healthcare manager in the future, and creating such changes in myself is what excites me the most about this program. Using the capstone project at the end of this program, I'm especially excited to exhibit what I've learned through that project, because for me that equates to moving forward in my career. My past experiences have shown me that my strengths lie in my interpersonal skills, planning and organization, and memorization as well. A recent experience that I had in my job is a phone call that I had with a teacher from one of our Seattle universities who was working to find the best clinic for one of his students to go to as a medical patient. This student is 19 years old and didn't want to burden her mom by using her medical insurance for her medical visits due to the high deductible and copay according to her mom's insurance plan. According to the teacher, the previous caller that he dealt with before me made him feel as though they weren't listening to what he was saying, because he had to repeat himself over and over regarding the student's situation, until eventually his call got transferred to me, and by that point he was pretty upset. I had to use my interpersonal skills to calm him down and explain the options that the student has in coming to our clinic. Also, on a daily basis, I plan and organize the most important tasks that I need to complete by the end of the day, and use my memorization skills to use the medical billing rules that I need to remember when making medical claims for my clinic. According to Cialucci and Wiggins, the authors of Essential Techniques for Healthcare Managers, the technical skills involve the specialized knowledge to get the work done, including the ability to create a clear and accurate budget for projects and managing time to do the job well. Personally, my technical skills are stronger in medical coding, but they're definitely weaker in management. And I also feel that critical thinking and problem solving are both skills that will need to be developed with the help of this program. All in all, I believe that with the help of this program, I'll be able to accomplish my goals, develop my skills, and show off my accomplishments as well. At the end of this program, I'm excited to say that I was able to complete all 3 of these things. Thank you very much for your time and for listening to my presentation. Bye.